Okay, let me start.
Okay.
So I am in favor of renting a house. See, the luxury of renting a house is that you are free to move. If especially you are working like me, who used to work in a sales profession, still I am into a traveling job. So I can shift my bases from one place to another place without even having additional burden of sailing off or renting that house again and again. That is number one. Number two is there are some people who are so generous, they will spend maybe lakhs of and crores of rupees, and they will give you that same house at the price of maybe 20-25,000. So you can just crew that house at your wish. Number three is you don't have to pay any additional interest while paying the rent. When you buy a house, nobody is so rich that they upfront pay all the money and just save that money. Instead
But
of that,
Sunil, don't you think that when you are renting a house, you are paying some 20-25,000 you said, right? That is something that
yes,
you need to pay for a good house. You want.
yes,
If you start an installment of your loan and just buy a house, it will also come out as the same amount. Yes, Himani, what do you think? She's raising hand.
Yes, Nancy. I think one should buy a house. I am in that because when every month you are giving rent, instead of that, if you pay EMI of a loan, no matter it takes too long, but ultimately you will own that place. And right from the beginning, at least you have that ownership. Sar pe chhat hai wali security is there. So I feel that, instead of spending money on rent, I think you should give it in the EMI, so that somewhere you are investing something, it's like an asset. And what Sunil said, that for like person who get transferred and who have that kind of job, for them also there is a hometown kind of thing where you need a security, where you feel that after retirement I'll stay there. So for that also you need a house. So that is what I believe, that if it is possible, you can also do that, and you have that freedom to decorate or renovate it according to your choice, where in rental houses there's a limitation. That is
Okay,
my
I'm just interrupting you in
You know,
between.
in
Some
my
people
opinion,
are, so that's what I'm saying. If you raise hand virtually, nobody will give you chance. You need to jump into the discussion and grab the opportunity to speak. Okay?
yeah,
Okay, I would like to speak.
yeah,
So I
see, let me just add one point to my speech, that when you buy a house, ultimately you are going to die one day. Okay? So why to invest or waste so much of money on something which is you are not going to carry along with you? Just spend that money on the rent. Let somebody be happy. Don't be so selfish.
yeah. Apart from that
Yeah,
point, in
I
my
agree with
opinion,
Sunil.
if we talk about India, we are living in a country where the majority of the population is somewhat between their mid 20s or say mid 40s. Majority of the population, right? So, for example, the people like me who are yet to enter the earning stage, right? So I'm a final year student of the master's program. So if we talk about the age group which are currently capable of buying maximum in the society, or are say running the economy, right? So they are mostly having a job that is transferable, or say which are fluctuating in nature. For example, if I join a company right now, that I'm resident of Rajkot, right? So if I join a company in Pune or Mumbai, I will not be earning enough to buy a house in Mumbai. Whereas I can be capable enough of renting a lavish house, and after I leave my current company, I can shift to that again, the different lavish house in another city. So, if we talk about EMI and the interest loan of buying a house, or the installment of rent on monthly basis in renting a house, both are same. So, renting a house is cost beneficial to anyone.
I second the opinion
I
of
think so. We have to buy a house. Uh, I think so. We have to buy a house because हमारा खुद का घर है तो चलो ठीक है कभी भी रह सकते कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं अगर रेंट रेंट पर लिया है तो कभी भी बोल दे निकल जाना पड़ेगा और हो जाएंगे बेघर। और अगर रेंट पर लिया है तो सारी लिमिटेशन भी रखनी पड़ती है। सोसाइटी में कोई भी बोलेगा कि तुम इधर पार्किंग नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि तुम रेंट पर रह रहे हो। और अगर खुद का है तो सब अपना मुंह लॉक कर बैठ जाएंगे, किसी की भी बोलने की ताकत ही नहीं होगी।
In that position you are actually at the leveraging point, because when you say that house owner or landlord says you to shift a house, you actually get something better, or you can have as many options as you want. Why you can't do that after buying a 60 lakh house, that I don't like this place, or my neighbor is of this kind, or society is having something of that rules and all. So buying a house versus renting a house, in renting you are more flexible in that thing.
Plus, I want to add a point to Achyut that in India, the interest rates are very high. And by the time the loan will be over, we are going to spend so much of money on that particular house. And we are not going to live in that house forever. Like our future generations are going to live in that house. But yes, definitely, we are not going to take that benefit for a longer period of time.
But
Yeah, I'm
Exactly.
also in favor of renting house. There is 2 points I would like to put. The first is the house that you live in right now is not an asset; it's a liability. Asset or liability का एक simple definition है. Asset is something that gives you money. And a liability is something that takes money out of your pocket. So renting is always cheaper, and there is a factor of liquidity. Second is liquidity. If you have some health emergency or something that you need money, and you have already bought a house and you are paying EMI, then your money is stuck into that. Your liquidity is very less in real estate market, so it's better to rent house than buy a house, because if you have not if you do not have great amount of money, then your money will stuck for a longer period of time, and in any health emergency or any emergency it would be miserable.
Plus,
So
Yeah,
I was trying to say that in case of emergency, you will
Yeah.
not pay rent, then it is okay. Is it possible?
I didn't get you. Can you just repeat?
I'm just asking that in case of emergency, you are saying
Yeah.
that EMIs are real a headache. Then I was suggesting that without paying rent also it's okay.
No, it's not okay, but you are not investing lakhs of money in the first place, because you have already put money about 10 or 15 lakhs into that house, and after that you are paying EMIs, right? So that 10-15 lakhs you can get, those money you can use in health emergency or whatever emergency you have. But if you have invested that much of lakhs of rupees, then you won't have much money to for emergencies like that. That's what I'm saying.
yeah. So
Plus,
let
the
me
rent
add
is less
here.
as compared to the EMIs we pay in India. If we take the equal example of the rent and EMI, then we will be able to buy a very short house, like a house not in the suitable area, like in the metro cities or in the work areas. So if we want to have the EMI as same as the rented amount, then we have to buy a house somewhere like farther place.
Yeah,
So
of course.
guys,
Yeah,
let
I
me
agree.
add here something. I am in favor of the rent house. So let's view the upcoming future. We all are educated, right? And females' education is also getting higher and higher in numbers. So we can't say that female will live at home. She will do the housework, right? And men will work. So here, what will happen? Everyone will work, right? In upcoming future, I'm talking about that. So in that case, if you calculate your routine, so you are only for 8 to 10 hours at home. And in that, if you will invest crores of rupees or lakhs of rupees, they are not going to give any benefit. And
Yeah,
again, come to the environment, there climate change, this pandemic, and again the fire in the Amazon rainforest, and the ice melting at Antarctica. So we are not aware of those changes, sudden changes. So instead of that, what I will prefer I will save that amount, and that amount can be utilized in many work. Like I can use that amount for the welfare of societies. I can give that amount to NGOs. I can go for the world tour. I can explore the nature. I can enjoy that thing, and with full liberty, right? If I will purchase a house, right, on a EMI, then there will be burden on me. If I want to change my job and I don't want to work, I just want to do simple work, then I can't, because there is
Yeah,
a lots of pressure on me that I have to pay EMI 50,000, 60,000 per month. In that case, even if I don't like my work, then I have to do that work. So
So
we don't have a personal freedom.
Krishnakant, so if you, I will just disagree there because you say that you have to carry that burden of EMI. First thing is not necessary that everybody needs an EMI to buy a house. And second thing, if you are investing in EMI, you are investing on your own because the property then belongs to you. When
I
you're
think
paying the rent,
we are not here talking about investment. Actually,
no,
we
no,
are
it is
talking
not
about
invest.
living
I
in
mean, what I
house.
mean is when you're paying
Yeah,
the EMI, that means that amount is going for your own property only. That thing belongs to you. It's your own ownership in that. But if you're paying a rent, you're not owning anything. You're losing on it. महीने का
yeah,
इतना
but
खर्चा हो गया, that amount is gone. It's not going to come back to you. But अगर आप उसका भर रहे हो EMI, तो वो चीज आपकी है और अपना अपना होता है. तो
It's
आप
Ma'am,
अपने घर के राजा हो.
it's
Get
matter of
ma'am,
security.
rich
But
people are very less. Everyone
but when
requires
yeah,
nowadays
correct.
So it could be
when we
either
talk
of,
about when
EMI
we talk
or
about
without
EMI,
EMI.
only
Either
5
case.
to 10%
when we talk
people
about
are rich.
EMI, let's suppose that the house is costing 2 CR, right? And you are monthly pay,
So
if you are renting the same house, you are paying 40,000. So in how much time after paying 40,000, you will be able to buy that house of 2 CR? So let's calculate, you will nearly take 41 years to buy a house of 2 CR, investing 40,000 per month. So
no,
would you be able to
Yeah, it's
see,
buy
better
the
to
that
thing
house
is,
invest
after
that.
41
you
years?
you can always
It's
benchmark the
better to
price
invest
at your
2 crore
own.
of your money
And the
into your business
average
or
life
in
of
your
living,
work.
But budget is
average,
up to you. It's not necessary that you need to get a 2 CR home only. If
let me,
your
Yeah,
budget is
yeah, yeah.
one,
so
you can go
Yeah,
with
uh,
one,
that
right?
was just an example,
now
but it always works
nowadays
in ratio. If you are
now
yeah,
buying a house of 2 CR,
Correct.
you will be
so
obviously spending
But
40,000.
and
But if
eventually
you are
that is
buying
your
a
own
house,
property.
average
if
but
you are
age
buying
of
a house
living
of
is
lesser
declined.
cost,
Average age of living in India is declined. Let me add to your point. It's Achut, that if you are giving EMIs for 40 years, and you let's say I'm at 25 and I will give for 40 years I will pay for the EMI. Then
Krishnakant, it would be better if you just remove your earphone. You would be
okay,
more audible. Huh.
yeah.
Okay.
So it will be a 65 years, and average living life has declined, and it is below around 60 to between 60 to 60 70, right? So
Today
instead of that,
your income is not stagnant. It keeps on changing. With your growing
you
age,
are
your
not
income is
sure.
also going to
ma'am,
You are
increase,
not
ma'am,
right?
sure
prices of
in this
property also
pandemic.
are
In this
fluctuating day by
pandemic,
day.
yeah, most
Ma'am,
of the
prices of
people have
property are
lost
also
their
Yeah,
job.
fluctuating day by day.
Yes, yes. So you buy it at the right time, and then you pay the EMI, and your income is definitely going to grow, but your
so
EMI will
don't you
remain
think
same.
there is a question of liquidity? Your money stuck.
Money is
You're
not
like so.
stuck because if you that will be appreciated also, as somebody told just now that the real estate rates may increase day by day, and in cities, metro cities, it definitely does, right? So
Neelam,
it's appreciation.
but
Neelam, I think this is like age-wise this thing,
Yes, yes,
20s and
correct,
40s thinking. I would like to
correct.
have the same discussions once all of them have children. I would like to have the same discussion after that. That would, I mean, I believe that they would love to have security for their children, whether they believe it or not at this
And
point of time.
and also for
So
self, क्योंकि बॉम्बे जैसा सिटी में तो घर इतने छोटे होते हैं, so it is like आपके पास
of course, so
मिट्टी भी सोना है.
Yeah,
that's what I'm saying.
that is why the
We
matter is
cannot
very
we
subjective
cannot
to age and what you are doing for earning.
Youth
So
are
the two players are your
we
age
cannot
and
buy
what
a
you are doing
house in
for
Mumbai. If
living.
you're doing job in
तो
Mumbai, you cannot simply buy a house.
छोटी सी एज में अगर आप अपने लिए घर ले लेते हो ना, तो इट इज लाइक यू हैव अचीव्ड द माइलस्टोन. So
Yeah,
it's
I
the
agree
same,
with that. Yeah.
right?
But then also
But you
we got stuck with the EMI. Like if the two members in the family are earning, one's income is going into the EMI,
So it's
and then you are not able to enjoy that lifestyle for a certain
And
period of
switching
time,
jobs is
for 2 to
also
so
not
3
it's
easy.
years.
either EMI or
If you are
rent.
switching your job to another city, then it's not gonna work.
So you
Even
have your
if you
Exactly.
bought
hometown
house.
as
And if you
yeah.
want to,
Pay the
if you
EMI.
want to change your profession, you can't change. Again, the same thing that if you are working, if you are not like that profession, then again, if you are getting a job where you will get half of that amount, then you can't.
No,
You again have to
So
think that
buying a home cannot
let
stop
me.
you changing your profession. That cannot be an obstacle in
no,
any case, I
EMI,
think.
Yeah, right.
EMI. I'm talking about the EMI, the
Yeah.
burden of EMI. I'm not talking about
So it's either
the
EMI
10
or
to
rent.
15 lakh. Yeah, 10 to 15 lakh house, right? I'm talking about that if you purchase crores of rupees. Yeah, if you are going to buy something, then definitely you will invest a lump sum amount. Means you will look for the luxurious life. Again, that there should be a library, gym, blah blah blah. But
Not necessary. It's
So
Okay,
let
subjective
okay. I'm
perception.
But
just
at
let
taking
least
a
me.
it will
pause
cost
here.
around 40-50 lakhs, yeah, right?
There are few 5-6 people who are discussing. Others are waiting for their turn. Guys, nobody will give you chance until and unless you grab an opportunity to
Okay.
speak.
yes, yes.
So
We
let
want
me add
to.
with this, so for in my case, if you ask for my opinion, so purchasing a house for your own is a good thing rather than to rent it. But if you go for a commercial, like if you want to start a business, then you should go for a rent. Reason being, always the rent, if you talk about the, the financial aspects or the, what cost is better. So rent is always a cost beneficial aspect. But if you go for your own house, so it is for the security for the your further coming generation. So it is better if you are going for a your own house to purchase it. But if you are going for a commercial aspect, you should rent it. That is what my opinion is.
But
The point is that I still
your
don't
generation will
understand
not come back to your home, no?
sense of
Sorry.
security.
your
And
your
my
generation will not might not be come back to stay with your home or old home
Oh,
life.
but they will be
But
having a
now,
enough amount, they could
no,
sell and they could
nowadays
purchase anywhere else.
nowadays minimalism all are go through that funda only. Means people are dying to leave all those things, just leave and enjoy. They are not take hectic or headache on their head to keep our own house, big house or something. They are always go for rent house or
So what
here you.
when you are talking about, you are talking about a lower section of people who want to enjoy their life. Also, people are having who want to have that secure life also.
No, all section of
So I am talking about
people
the
are enjoy.
secure life.
Now
how come is
minimalism,
the
My
I
opinion
think so.
on my
Minimalism
opinion
is
on that.
Okay, okay. I think Vishwa wants to say something from quite a long time. Yes, Vishwa.
Yeah, I was wondering that how can buying our own house provide a sense of security other than renting? आप मकान मालिक आके नहीं बोलेगा कि कल के कल घर खाली करो. You have to do a kind of agreement.
yes.
Exactly.
There
Yeah.
are many
So,
agreements.
there exists agreement, right, for 2 to 3 months or like that. There,
So
Yes,
even
and
so
not
though
you
it
months
is
and
should,
very,
so
actually
you
you
should
should
it is
have a,
very,
years.
you should
yeah,
have a time
exactly.
that
I agree
in
with, the earlier person who said, if even you have 2 to 3 months notice, it is very hectic to move to the another house and to find
yes.
a suitable house, again for
yeah,
your
so
living.
you will always face challenges,
Actually, we
right?
have too
If you
many
are living in,
properties available right now in
Change is
our
inevitable.
factors and everything. It's actually for the first time if you're doing that, it is really a tedious job. But once you get used to it, you will actually love the process.
Yes, 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 Kiswa, you're right.
So
Okay,
nowadays,
Zena wants to say something from quite a long. Zena, nobody will give you chance. You have to grab the opportunity to speak. Unmute yourself. Yeah.
Okay, so practically speaking, वैसे my opinion is based on just imagination because I can afford neither right now. And focusing on the current scenario, keeping all the capital things, all the investments, and all the processes of EMI aside, uh, I believe that if you rent a house, you actually have an opportunity to focus on other investments. Okay, because if suppose I'm talking from a middle class ground, I'm talking from a middle class perspective. So suppose if you going to buy a house in today's date, it will actually cost you around 50 to 60 lakhs, right?
Yes.
So let's say that takes away almost either all of your life investments or 90% of it. So you don't have any other option or opportunity to look after. If you need money for other things, like there were emergencies that were discussed, there were health issues that were discussed. And apart from that, if you have any other thing, education, business, or any other thing, you will have practically nothing in your hand. You will have practically nothing in your hand, and therefore renting makes it easier. And a second point that I wanted to share is, suppose if you are renting a house for 20,000 and that house is like fully furnished, you have all the facilities. So your that amount of your luggage gets reduced. So minimalism is practiced, which is good when you will be shifting, which is good when you will be traveling, and you will get married, have kids, whatever. And second thing is, suppose if you already have a fully furnished flat at 20,000, then I think that is better if you are in the age range of let's say 25 to 40, because then buying a house of 60 lakhs and then spending 1 or 2 lakhs for the furniture makes your pocket even more empty than it was. So I back up my claim that renting is much more sensible and feasible for today's generation, at least people my age. That's
Yeah,
it.
so let me
again
add.
again this point. So here what we are comparing a fixed outflow of 20,000 versus fixed outflow of 40,000. That is what we are, your claim is based on. So
Not
again we are
exactly
paying.
that actually. We are also investing. I mean, we are making 10-15 lakhs investment first, then we are giving EMIs.
Basically,
So
the
it's
down
not
payment
exactly.
we are adding.
Yeah, down payment exactly.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
in order to have
To add
some,
2 points,
capital value, you have to invest some capital value. Again, adding to that point, what she have, mentioned very clearly, if you are in the range of 25 to 40, then it is good
exactly.
to go for a rent. So
And
what next?
this
What
is
next?
choice. Who doesn't have a choice, who are still
Yeah,
settling down, it is not about them. But when you have an option between buying and renting, and
yeah,
at some point, people are saying that when you want to change the job, you want to change the house, it becomes easier when you are renting. But let me tell you that at certain age, at least after 30 or around 30, somewhere you will get stable, right? Somewhere you will feel that this is a secure job
exactly.
now. You can't keep on thinking after you have family. You can't keep on jumping the job. Somewhere you will settle down with your career. After that, I think it will be better to have a house. That is what I feel. And that is the main point over here. Why this discussion is getting created is that only all of them are in 20s and still they are going up. But then I feel that at some point when you come to a certain secured level in your career, then you can think about it. This was a choice. When if I come from a very lower middle class family where I don't have an option, then I have to rent it whatever I
Right.
afford. And when I can afford a house, when I have a fixed income, when I can really invest into it, every person has a dream that I want my own, even though if it is 1 room house or 2 room house. You can choose according to your level of income. So that is what I understand, and that is what I wanted to say.
So Himani, that's what you said
Yeah, support
rightly.
Himani.
I also agree to that, because कितना भी वर्ल्ड टूर कर लो, कहीं पे भी घूम के आ जाओ, when you come home you feel that एक अपना एक फीलिंग आता है, एक सेटिस्फैक्शन आता है मेरे में कि हाँ हाँ
पर मैम
Yeah,
ये
it's a
बात
it's a
बिल्कुल सही
saying
है
in.
आपकी, बट द थिंग इज दैट दिस वी कैन कंसिडर जब हमारी जेब में कुछ हो. अभी हमारी जेब में
Yeah,
कुछ
right.
है ही
So
नहीं.
again we are discussing. Again we are discussing between the options. Yeah, rather if
Options, yeah. So it is very
40,000.
subjective.
Yeah,
Ji.
if I am having a 40,000 in pocket, so either should I pay 40,000 EMI or should I rent 20,000 or invest 20,000?
So Himani answered it very nicely that, even if you're at the age of 20, give yourself few years, you accumulatize all your capital and then invest in something. And it does not necessarily mean that you invest in directly 2 crore house. You can take a baby steps, right? You can first invest
Again,
in a small
actually,
house, and after few years then you can move to the another house by selling that house. So at that point of time, you'll have some capital to invest in the bigger house, as well as your income would have been increased. And the main point of investing in a house is as in when you grow in your life, right, there would be additional expenses also that are, family expenses, health expenses, your personal entertainment expenses, so that to save some amount into an investment, which will give you a better returns after maybe 20 years, as well as a security. It is a good option to
I would
go
like
for
to
a
correct
housing
you.
loan and at least create your asset.
Nowadays, EMI has become a
The
pattern actually. If you get for vehicle, you get to pay EMI. If you go for
the
mobile, you pay
house
EMI.
that
So why not
you
for a home?
yeah the house that you live in is not your asset. You're not gonna sell this house, right? So it's not making you any money. It's liability. So if you are investing in big house, I would say that that's the mistake.
Again I
So
want to correct,
let me
it is not a liability,
add
it
one.
is an
This
asset
is
only,
your
cause
opinion,
cause
right?
cause the avoidance of outflow is also an inflow. If you are owning a house, you are avoiding a rent, so it is
Guys,
an
you
asset
have
itself, not a
last 2
liability.
minutes.
Yeah, let me add one point here.
bottom
We have
line is
considered, yeah, we have considered
Yeah,
the
yeah.
point
Either
of
you
home only. Yeah, just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute, dear. We have considered only one parameter, that was home. We have not considered the other parameter, that was education and health. So if again, if one wants to do something big in his or her life, then education. If you want to go in India top B school, it's around 20 to 30 lakh investment, and if you will go abroad, then it is more than 50 lakh. If you
But why are you
and
taking all
But
everything
so
in the
what is the relevant?
money side only? Every
Okay,
age has a different priority. Every age
no
has
no
a different
even
priority. Right now, if my priority is
home
education,
is
so
where
I
the
will
every
invest
family
in
live,
Okay,
education.
right?
okay.
Home is the
Let's avoid all other priorities. Let's keep one thing clear. If you are buying a house after 10 or 20 years, you are going to renovate it. Either you are of any age, right? So that after buying your house, your job doesn't end there. So after 10 or 20 years, you will be
Needs a
renovating and spending more time, right? Spending more money in it.
everything needs a maintenance. So even this needs a maintenance.
yeah,
So
Yeah,
that's
so
what's the
okay.
renting gives you
exception
an
to that?
advantage.
And then
Renting gives you an
you
advantage.
can
You
So
can
rent,
shift your house whenever you
renting
want.
give.
no
in
so
that in
rent
that
would be a static over the years,
no
no, is
in
it?
that
So rent will also increase year
Guys,
by year
can we
na?
have
in
conclusion
that
to
yeah,
this?
in
again
Or we
liquidity
just want to
factor.
discuss it like this
After
again and
discussion,
again?
I feel that
It
the
is
topic is very subjective.
subjective. Yes,
It is
it is
subjective, yes.
subjective. Huh.
And
Yeah, yeah,
Exactly.
it's
Okay,
even
okay.
let me add
different,
one more point. Say the
all
home
about the
loan is coming at a
perception.
7%.
Okay,
You know, it
yeah.
is one of the cheapest thing in India.
What? Sorry, I missed it.
So home loan is coming at a 7%. So even if you consider a financing option, it is one of the cheapest option. You can, you can earn higher ROI over your business, and you can invest easily
So,
in new house.
so this gentleman wants to tell us that buy our money from home and invest it somewhere else.
No,
Look
no.
But majority,
I am
it
saying
up.
that take a
no,
home
no.
Okay, I got it. I was
loan
just
and invest in
kidding.
something else.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
will cost you at a 7%, and you can earn a 12%.
Yeah, but let
Okay.
me add here
So it
something.
depends
The
on the income
business
we
is
have. If
now.
like I will be having an income of 2 lakh rupees, then I'll be comfortably investing 40,000 per month. But if I'm
Yeah.
having 1 lakh income, then also I won't be like feeling comfortable in investing 40,000 because there will be other expenses as well. So it also depends on it mostly depends on your
Yeah.
income, because what is your inflow and what are your fixed expenses, because apart from EMI we also have other expenses like home expenses,
So this is
expenditures.
very much
so
subjective and situational. That
and
is what.
also and
Yes.
also it
Yes.
depends on your
But
aspiration.
again,
If you
renting
have
is cheaper than buying.
Again, it
Yeah,
comes
it
to
obviously.
depends.
I would like to say
कंक्लूजन
that
देना है guys. अभी भी लोग अपनी बात पे अड़े हुए हैं. जो
see,
बोल रहे
I
हैं कि
would
रेंट करो वो
there
यही
is
No,
बोल
no.
रहे
Again,
I
हैं.
want to speak something.
Only
See,
Yes,
I want to
Vishwa.
say that
Yes, Vishwa.
it's not a matter of financials. It's just a
Exactly.
matter of emotions. A
Not
person's
also a matter of
emotions.
the
Money
emotions.
to
no,
It
no,
buy
is
that
finance
house,
is
apart
required.
right?
apart
Without
from
money, you
financial
can't
thing.
do.
Can't
There
buy
are
a
there
car
are we
house.
So you need to be aspirational. If somebody has an aspiration of getting a home, then everything becomes easy.
Yeah, that's
not
right.
about the aspiration.
I
Matlab,
actually own a house, but I don't support it when you don't have income of like if I have
Yeah.
income of 2 lakh, that's fine, 40,000 paying.
So
But if I have a lesser income,
Again,
I
it
won't
comes
support
to
it.
the
Where
middle
there is a
class,
will,
right?
where there
Majority
is a
of
will, there
people.
is a way. Where we feel there is a will, there is a
No,
way.
no,
If we aspire to get a home, all the rasta अपने आप निकल जाएगा.
no,
But
no.
there are other
And
Talking
things
you,
as
about the
well.
if you
middle
Like we
class.
aspire
have
to
to
No,
rent
travel,
house,
we
I'm
have to
talking
study,
about
तब
we
भी
middle
have
रास्ता
class.
other
निकलेगा.
expenses as well
no.
in life.
majority
agree
of
to Rakhi ma'am,
Indians are
but again, I think the topic is
Order,
if you had
order.
an option.
It was great discussion by the way.
Order.
Yeah,
Yeah.
really great.
God, if I don't stop you, you can keep going and talk for next half hour. But I think we have covered almost all the points. Can somebody conclude without being biased on any side? Please unmute yourself if you want to
I
conclude.
guess Himani would be doing it great.
Go ahead, Rakhi, go ahead.
No, no,
To
please. please go.
conclude that, see, our meet is itself is an example that we are living in a society of varied sections, varied age, varied income, age group. Everything is different. So it is a subjective matter. Priorities differ, and so does the finance.
Yeah, so the priority again, let me add one point. Majority of Indians consider into the middle class, right? So middle class family have to consider their priority, right? So for them to educate their children, that is the first priority. So in my opinion, it should be first on education, second health, third home. So it's better to
Due
fix
to
your
corona
priority.
We can't simply put a sequence to it. We can't simply put a sequence to it.
Exactly. Yeah. If you talk about me, I'll consider health first because
Yeah, exactly. We
पहला
can't
सुख
put a
निरोगी
sequence
काया.
to it.
Yeah,
Okay,
it
I
again
would like to
depends.
end this, Nancy, with I'll say that life is not fair with anyone. Everybody passes through different phases, whether it's highs or ups, whether you have rented a house or you own a house. Everybody faces problems somewhere. So it's only about your choice and your priority and in which situation you are right now. And everybody, as especially Indians, as he said, that everybody falls in middle category, so everybody dreams of having a better life. So wherever, at whichever point in life, whatever the priority is, it is about that. But just because our discussion was only about renting a house or not, but we went into so many other things, so I'll say that this is only about situation, priorities, and choice. That is what I say. I mean, both the sides are, both the ways you are correct. There is in life, there is nothing like right and wrong. It's how you react to the situation in whatever position you are. That is what I would like to conclude that way.